Hello YouTubes. My Sena Prism tube, which was my helmet camera, crapped out earlier in this year. That's been largely responsible for my absence from the motovlogging. I ordered a new battery for it months ago, which got lost in the system, as things do when you order them to be delivered to the Middle East here. And I finally received it last week, so I got around to dismantling the camera to fix it. Just a side note, I'm not sponsored by HelloFresh or anything like that. I was just listening to a podcast as I did this, and I happened to land on their ad break at this point in the video.
There's 20 plus seasonal chef-curated recipes each week, and they have a variety of different types, from family recipes to low-calorie recipes to vegetarian recipes. So, you know, it's flexible.
Okay.
You can add extra meals to your weekly order.
Well, guess what happened?
Like garlic bread or cookie dough. You can change your delivery days on a week-to-week
This
basis.
little
So, if you want to have the
connector here was not free.
and, save a lot of time by using HelloFresh, you can get 9 free meals right now by going to HelloFresh.com.
So I don't need this.
BTB9. That's HelloFresh.com/BTB9 and use the code BTB9 for 9 free meals. Again, HelloFresh.com/BTB9.
Oh well, fixed.
So there we go, the camera's working again. The mic, as it stands, is not working. I may have to dismantle it again and see if that's just another loose wire. But hopefully I'll be able to motovlog again soon. Thanks for watching, thanks for staying subscribed, and I'll talk at you soon. Ride safe.